collab with Junkernecker and
Indie Annie Jones. She's multi-talented, and if you're not familiar with her, I know you'll love her channel.
And here are some of the supplies that you will be needing for today's DIY. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be making a bird cage from scratch. I decided to do so because I really wanted to participate in this challenge, but I did not have a bird cage to do so. Here we're going to grab some moss to put inside of our planter that we're going to be using as our makeshift cage. If I didn't mention it earlier, you will be needing a hot glue gun, so I suggest you plug it in a little bit early. And we're going to hot glue down the moss to adhere to our bird cage. Now that that's secure, let's go ahead and trim down our wreath from Dollar Tree. Let's go ahead and grab some zip ties so that we can go ahead and secure it to our basket so that it does not come apart. Here you can see me using the leftovers in order to cover up the zip ties to make it look a lot more presentable. Make sure you do it on the inside and the outside as well. Just adding some flowers to make it look a lot more presentable. I think it added a little additional touch to it. lush as well. Basket is actually spray painted with brushed nickel spray paint that I got from Walmart. Actually, it was left over from a previous project, and I'm just going to go ahead and add additional moss on top for our little birdie to have a place to land. And we'll just add the bird on top to give him a home. And here you can see me adding additional little flowers. They're a different type. I'm not sure exactly what type, but I definitely think that they added a splash of character. I'm just covering up the sides to make sure that you cannot see the basket underneath. Let's go ahead and reattach our chain for our basket to be able to hang. Here we're just going to put additional flowers on the outside of our baskets to cover up the hoops that are not actually lining up with where we placed our basket. And I did this on purpose because I didn't want them to line up, so that I had additional decor. I'm just adding some moss underneath our topper so that you cannot see the underlining of the moss. Let's make sure we do the same with the bottom so that you are not able to see whenever it's hanging up high above your head. You were able to see it, so I decided to come back and make sure that that is all tidy. when putting the final touches, make sure you squeeze the two pieces together at the very tips so that it looks like one solid piece. And it just makes it look a whole lot better than if you were to just glue and leave it as such. And here's the final piece. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you visit the rest of the playlist so that you can see all the other crafters.